Dear children, in this video you are going to understand factors for your summer assignment. Hope you understand and enjoy your summer breaks.
Dear students, today in this video we are going to study about factors. So factors are the numbers which are divided completely. That means there is no remainder left. For example, I have a number that is 30. When 30 is being divided by 5. So let's divide 30 by 5. 5, 6 are 30. That means there is no remainder left. So we can say that 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Similarly, let's understand these factors with the help of an activity. Let's consider 36 apples. Okay. And let us divide these apples in a group of 3 such that there is no apple left as remainder. So can we do that? Let us divide these apples in the group of 3. This is group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That means after dividing 36 and group them in a group of 3, there is no remainder left. That means we can say that 3 is the factor of 36. Let's now divide this 36 apples in a group of 4. Can we do that? Let's divide these apples in the groups of 4. On dividing these apples in the groups of 4, we can see that group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 groups are formed. And we can say that 4 divides 36 properly and there is no remainder left. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 36. Dear children, let's divide these 36 apples in a group of 5. On dividing these 36 apples in the groups of 5, we saw that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 groups are being formed. Yet there is 1 apple left as a remainder. That means we can say that 5 is not the factor of 36. Hope you have understood what factors are. Now the question arises, what are the uses of factors in real life application? It is being used to distribute the chocolates among students. It can be also used to arrange the sweets in boxes. Dear children, let's do an activity to understand properly the topic that is factors.
Dear children, for this activity we need color papers and pair of scissors. Let's divide this into 12 equal squares and arrange them in a single row. On arranging them in a single row, we can see that there are 1 number of rows and 12 number of columns. Let's arrange into 2 rows. On arranging these color papers in 2 rows, we observe that the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 6. Let's arrange them in 3 rows now. On arranging them in the 3 rows, we observe that number of rows are 3 and the number of columns are 4. Have a close look. In the first case, we had 1 row and 12 columns. In the second case, we have 2 rows and 6 columns. In the third case, we have 3 rows and 4 columns. Now you will be asking that why cannot we arrange them in the 4 rows and 3 columns, because that will be the repetition of third case. So we can say that we can write 12 as 1 into 12. In the second case, we can write it as 2 into 6. And in the third case, we can write 12 as 3 into 4. That means all these numbers are the factors of 12. So we can say that the factors of 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. These are all the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3,